Today, we're diving into an important yet often overlooked topic: how certain food combinations can impact your health. You may have heard about the incredible benefits of avocados, but did you know that pairing them with the wrong foods could cause serious health problems? It's all about understanding how foods interact in our bodies. So, let's explore the top 10 foods you should never eat with avocados and uncover the science behind why these combinations may be harmful. Are you ready to learn something new? Before we begin, I'm curious. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments, and feel free to ask any questions you might have. Let's begin. Never eat avocado and sugary fruits. Have you ever enjoyed a fruit salad with avocado and sweet fruits like mangoes or bananas? While it might taste delicious, this combination can disrupt your blood sugar levels. Avocados provide steady energy due to their healthy fats, but sugary fruits contain natural sugars that can cause blood sugar spikes when combined. When you pair the fats from avocados with the sugars in fruits, your body processes them differently. The fats slow digestion, delaying the quick energy release from the fruits, which may lead to a roller coaster effect on your blood sugar. Instead of sugary fruits, try pairing avocados with low-sugar options like tomatoes, cucumbers, or leafy greens. If you crave sweetness, choose berries like strawberries or blueberries. These fruits are low in sugar and high in antioxidants, making them a perfect match for avocados. 2. Avocado and high-fat meats. Did you know that combining avocados with high-fat meats like bacon, sausages, or even steak can overburden your digestive system? Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, while these meats are packed with saturated fats. Together, they can create a fat overload in your stomach, which slows down digestion and causes discomfort. Have you ever felt excessively full or bloated after a meal that included both? This isn't just about how you feel. Your liver and pancreas also work overtime to process this high-fat combination. Over time, it may contribute to elevated cholesterol levels and strain your digestive system. What can you do instead? Opt for leaner cuts of meat like grilled chicken breast, turkey, or plant-based options like beans or lentils. You could also try pairing avocados with a salad, quinoa, or roasted vegetables. For breakfast, swap bacon for smoked salmon or poached eggs. These lighter fats complement the creamy richness of avocados without overwhelming your system. 3. Avocado and processed oils. Have you ever sautéed avocados or combined them with dishes made with processed oils like canola or sunflower oil? Processed oils often contain trans fats, which can diminish the health benefits of avocados and lead to oxidative stress in your cells. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. These oils are less refined and preserve the nutritional value of your meals. 4. Avocado and dairy milk. Do you blend avocados into smoothies with dairy milk? While it might seem like a healthy choice, this combination can cause digestive discomfort for some people. Avocados require bile to digest their fats, while milk contains lactose, which some people struggle to break down. Instead of dairy milk, try plant-based alternatives like almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk. These options are easier to digest and pair beautifully with avocados. You could make an avocado and almond milk smoothie with a hint of vanilla for a creamy, delicious drink. 5. Avocado and white bread. Avocado toast is a popular choice, but if you're using white bread, you might be offsetting its benefits. White bread is made from refined grains that lack fiber and nutrients, leading to rapid blood sugar spikes. Switch to whole grain or sourdough bread for a healthier alternative. Or, ditch the bread altogether and use avocado slices as a base for toppings like boiled eggs, cherry tomatoes, or smoked salmon. 6. Avocado and sugary drinks. Pairing avocados with sugary drinks like soda or fruit juice creates a sugar-fat overload that can disrupt your metabolism. Instead, enjoy avocados with healthier beverages like green tea, herbal teas, or infused water. 7. Avocado and spicy foods. While avocados are often used to cool down spicy dishes, Consuming them with excessive spice can irritate your digestive system. Balance is key. Use mild spices or herbs to enhance flavors without overwhelming your stomach. 8. Avocado and citrus fruits. While a squeeze of lime on guacamole is fine, overloading avocados with acidic citrus fruits like oranges or grapefruits can interfere with your body's ability to absorb key nutrients like calcium and magnesium. To maintain balance, pair avocados with neutral or alkaline ingredients like leafy greens, cucumbers, or bell peppers. 9. Avocado and pickled foods. Pickled foods like sauerkraut or kimchi are high in acidity and salt, which can clash with the healthy fats in avocados, reducing nutrient absorption. Instead, pair avocados with fresh, crunchy options like cucumbers, bell peppers, or radishes. 10. Avocado and fried foods. Combining avocados with fried foods adds unnecessary strain to your liver and digestion. Fried foods cooked in unhealthy oils can counteract the benefits of avocados. Instead, pair them with roasted or air-fried alternatives for a healthier meal. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Have questions or tried these combinations yourself? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.